Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Diana. Welcome to your second Pharma Monster review. We're going to see today cardiovascular drugs. These are pretty easy drugs to memorize, so I hope you have a lot of fun memorizing them. First, we have the cardiac glycosides. It's important that you know the mechanism of action of them because sometimes they can ask you mechanism of action of drugs. So try to have at least the general idea of that. Mechanism of action is increased contractility of the cardiac muscle. We have digoxin, and the most common one, digitalis. The indications are for congestive heart failure, and the adverse effects are dysrhythmia, nausea, vomiting, and blurred vision. So I have this little table